We've all been told to cover our mouths when we sneeze, but have you ever given a lot of thought as to why? Let's talk about the science behind sneezing.
That's loud.
Your body sneezes when an irritant, like a dust mote or a virus particle, enters your nasal passage. Much like a confetti cannon, a sneeze comes out of your mouth with a lot of force. Sneezes can travel about 5 to 6 feet on average, but particles have been recorded to travel up to 27 feet after a sneeze. And like a confetti cannon, sneezes also come out with a lot of force. A sneeze can travel as fast as 100 miles per hour on average. This means if a sneeze could run the 100-meter dash, it'd be 4 times faster than Usain Bolt. Hopefully, this visual explanation of what happens when we sneeze will help you remember to always cover your mouth to help prevent those particles from spreading to the people around you.